Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add data to Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful spreadsheet and project management tool that can help you organize your work and get things done. What is Smartsheet? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based spreadsheet application that can be used to manage projects, track tasks, and collaborate with team members. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it can be used to manage a variety of projects, from simple to complex. How to add data to Smartsheet. Now that we know what Smartsheet is, let's get started with adding data to it. There are a few different ways to add data to Smartsheet. Manually entering data. This is the most basic way to add data to Smartsheet. Simply click on a cell and start typing. Importing data from other sources. You can import data from other applications, such as Excel, CSV, and Google Sheets, using the Smartsheet Forms app. The Smartsheet Forms app allows you to create forms that can be used to collect data from users, using the Smartsheet API. The Smartsheet API allows you to programmatically add data to Smartsheet. Manually entering data. Let's start by manually entering some data into Smartsheet. To do this, simply click on a cell and start typing. You can enter text, numbers, dates, and formulas. Once you've entered your data, you can format it to make it look more appealing. For example, you can change the font, color, and alignment of the text. Importing data from other sources. If you have data that you want to import into Smartsheet, you can do so by using the Import Data feature. To use this feature, simply click on the Import Data button in the toolbar. Once you've clicked on the Import Data button, you'll be prompted to select the source of your data. You can choose from a variety of sources, including Excel, CSV, Google Sheets, and Dropbox. Once you've selected your source, you'll be prompted to select the range of cells that you want to import. You can also choose to import headers and formulas. Once you've selected your range of cells, click on the Import button. Your data will be imported into Smartsheet. Using the Smartsheet Forms app. The Smartsheet Forms app allows you to create forms that can be used to collect data from users. To use the Smartsheet Forms app, simply click on the Forms tab in the toolbar. Once you've clicked on the Forms tab, you'll be prompted to create a new form. You can customize the form by adding fields, setting validation rules, and adding themes. Once you've created your form, you can share it with others. When users fill out the form, their data will be automatically added to Smartsheet. Using the Smartsheet API. The Smartsheet API allows you to programmatically add data to Smartsheet. This is a great option if you need to add a lot of data to Smartsheet, or if you need to automate the process of adding data. Adding data to Smartsheet is easy. There are a variety of ways to do it, so you can choose the method that best suits your needs. Additional tips. Before you start adding data to Smartsheet, it's a good idea to create a data model. This will help you to organize your data and ensure that it is structured correctly. Once you've added your data, you can use Smartsheet's powerful filtering and sorting features to find the information you need. You can also use Smartsheet to create reports and dashboards to visualize your data. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you manage your work and get things done. I encourage you to learn more about Smartsheet and start using it today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.